I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your new wiper blades and a clean cloth. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down, which could damage the glass. Now, locate the small tab or clip that secures the old blade to the arm. Once you've located the tab, press it firmly to release the old wiper blade. While holding the tab, slide the old blade down and off the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. It should come off with minimal force. After removing the blade, gently lower the wiper arm back to the windshield. Place a cloth on the glass to prevent scratches if the arm accidentally falls. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. With both new blades installed, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some windshield washer fluid to test their operation. Ensure they clear the glass effectively and quietly. Regular inspection helps maintain visibility. For more great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.